Hello, Namaste everyone. I am Prabha Patil welcoming you all to Patil's Desi Food Adda. Today I am here with one more new recipe, that is Masala Bread Toast. It is my kind of recipe. Trust me guys, it's gonna be very tasty. When you have no option of breakfast, you can go with it. It's very tasty, easy and quick to prepare. You can also have it as an evening snack for your short hunger. Without wasting time, let's get started. Have a look on the ingredients. I have taken 5 pieces of bread, roasted chanas, red chilli powder, salt as per the taste, turmeric powder, Desi ghee. Procedure will be as follows. Take a clean mixer grinder jar. Here I have taken my small jar. In that I have put 1 cup of roasted chana, or you can call it as Phutane, about 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chilli powder. It may vary depending upon your taste. Add salt as per taste. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all the ingredients well. Close the mixture jar and grind it to a fine powder. Here you can Guys, as I love spicy food, I am going to add little more chili powder, that is about half a teaspoon more, and about half a teaspoon of salt. Mixing it well and grinding it again for a fine powder. It is the second time grinded fine powder. Here the next step is to take all the 5 bread pieces, apply the ghee all over the surface of the bread. Guys, the ghee is to be applied only on one surface of the bread. Now spread the mixture prepared on the ghee applied surface of the bread. The mixture is to be spread evenly all over the surface of the bread. Here you can see all the mixture applied pieces of the bread. Preheat the tawa for about 2 minutes on a medium flame. The mixture should be applied only on one surface of the bread. The bread should be placed on the tawa such that the mixture applied surfaces should be at the top. No need of oiling the tawa, it should be dry roasted. We should keep rounding the bread pieces as shown so that it does not get dark at the bottom. Guys, roast the bread until all the powder type on top surface of the bread disappears. Continuous movement is necessary as it does not get darker at the bottom. You can have a look over here how the breads are to be roasted. Guys, don't think of the shape of my bread. Think how yummy it's gonna be. Guys, here now my breads are ready for serving. If you like my today's video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned with me for the further recipes by pressing the notification bell. Bye bye. Love you all. Take care guys.